What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Glow. I'm back with another video, man. Today's video will be another mod. I will be installing, Z01 add-ons, wicker build to the car. You know what I'm saying? Gotta have that wicker build. Shit. So it's gonna be a little installation video. So I was getting one on Amazon, but I looked at the reviews and they weren't good. Like they said, it should be breaking when they be putting it in and stuff. So I went to ZL1. Y'all know who that is. This gay ass nigga right here.
What's going on, guys? Did y'all kind of like wash y'all's ass today? Cause I sure didn't wash mine.
What the fuck? Man, anyway. But like, the tools you need, feel me? A little drill. Is your drill, 3/8 drill bit, and a riveter. It come in one, but I ain't buy it because it's cheaper to buy one at the store, you feel me?
Oh yeah, fun fact, this nigga Glow he like one of the richest, cheapest niggas I know, y'all.
Nah, I ain't, you feel me? But yeah, I'm finna, open this bitch. You know what I'm saying?
You want me to take over, bro? Yeah. Basically, he gonna take his tag off. But, yeah, he gotta switch the drill bit. He tryna, see what I'm saying? Let me get y'all a little. No, I do got one. I got one. I'm about to go in there and get it.
So this the goddamn, they got all this shit bandaged up. I got the tinted one too. Y'all can't see it. It's all packaged up and shit. But yeah, I was looking at YouTube video. They told me not to get one off Amazon, so I ain't getting one off Amazon. This one from Z01 add-ons. It's about 189. Feel me? Got the red screws to match the car. You know what I'm saying? A lot of shit. So I'm about to get into the video, man.
Yeah, so like how do you get the money to like afford these kind of things for the people that want to know?
Nah, you just put that shit on. They got like payment plans.
Yeah.
Like I only pay like $50 for it. You just pay
okay.
Yeah.
So
credit.
So what about your car? Like, how did you get your car?
Stolen.
Oh shit! Hey, I'm gonna just go ahead and end it right there.
All right, so this the part. Don't take this off yet, cause you don't want to scratch it up during the process or whatever. Feel me? So you're gonna take this, line it up. You know what I'm saying? Line it up with the back of your camera right here. I have about like a 1/16 off of the bumper. You know what I'm saying? Then you're gonna take your marker and then just mark little holes on it, man. So you know what to drill.
And yeah, he recommended you to get somebody else to help you, cause as y'all can see, all that shit you can't do that by yourself.
Yeah. Take like 2 people. You gotta get somebody to hold it for you. All right, so then you wanna get you a little drill. You feel me? Drill your little pilot holes in your little marker spots. You know what I'm saying? So you don't wanna go in that motherfucker. You gotta goddamn. Feel me? Drill that bit. Make sure it's in it. You wanna go light on it. Don't go crazy. And take that bitch out. Just a little pilot hole. I can The reason why I'm drilling light, cause you don't want that shit to poke a hole in the back of your bumper. Then you gonna be looking stupid. Gonna have to buy another one of these. Alright, once you got that done, then take this. Just take this part. line it back up. You know what I'm saying? Or you could have did it with the damn, yeah, shit like that. Alright, so get your 3/8 drill bit. Feel me? I taped it on here because that shit won't work. Go ahead and drill your holes. You wanna over push that motherfucker and shit come out the backside of the rubber. Alright, you got all your holes drilled. And this shit won't even necessary. You can take this bitch back off. And this tool right here, fuck this tool. Don't use this tool. I don't recommend using this tool. Goddamn. Take these little pieces right here and just put them in your hole. I might gotta open the holes a little bit. Open that thing up, she a little tight. He said he don't recommend this tool, but I recommend this tool. He just don't know how to use this shit. So that's why he's struggling. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I don't know how to use it either, but listen though. That's why you look on YouTube and see how to do shit, but man, listen, y'all gotta see Glow in person, bro. Like sometimes he don't function well. Gotta be your own riveter. She got stuck. So you gotta nigger it, some shit.
Yeah, bro.
Beat that bitch in there. I'm gonna show y'all the hood way how to do shit. They don't be going through the technical difficulties, you feel me? So you gotta do what you gotta do, get that bitch in there. SRT Glow Hoodwear edition. Then you got all of them in there. You know what I'm saying? Look a little right. Now, this shit out. Right. Jimmy, take this off the process so it ain't get scratched. Throw that shit in your buddy's yard and shit.
Yeah, alright. gotta see what side is this color too.
Huh?
You gotta see what side is the.
You gonna have to hold this motherfucker while I put the screws. Why this shit go? Wash it what? Like this?
You gotta flip it.
Oh God, nigga. You ain't putting nothing on, bro.
Shit, I'm trying to help you hold this shit up.
Yeah, I'm not. I was screwing it in my hand. It made it tighter.
This nigga trying to get me to do some work.
Maintain, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out.
Bro, goddamn bird and shit.
Damn, just now.
I don't know.
That shit fresh.
Yeah, man.
Oh shit.
Yeah, right.
What the
Nah,
fuck?
this one's like, yeah. Hey, from yesterday, what I tell you about the video, the watch call told you it was a bird and shit on my shit, man.
That's fresh. Like that bird just done that.
That shit might be in the video. And I'm putting these goddamn screws on.
Somebody just brought some shit.
Hey, y'all, hit me. Go shot with that boy.
Already made. See what I'm saying? I've been toting up a couple sales, you see what I'm saying? A couple people in the shop. A couple people haven't shopped that said they was gonna shop, but
So what's the definition of your brand, bro?
definition of my brand, poverty made. Y'all know poverty is like not having nothing at all, or having very little. So basically what I'm doing is I'm putting that on a shirt. That shirt gonna symbolize and be the name behind it. So it's poverty made, you feel me? Like I came from those struggling ways when I ain't have nothing at all, or sometimes I had very little. So you feel me? Got it on my brand. Yeah.
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
Take that shit off. When we get in there, this shit should take about probably like a 30-minute job. Something you can do yourself. Installation with SRT glue.
Shout out sushi, sweet and keep me rolling, but if we get the out, we gotta smoke. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rackets too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in some picture boat. They look bro, hit this stick and start getting low. I spent time on the racks on the Lambo and didn't even know how to move them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna look the dope. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. You just follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the promise, God, the period. Oh, he in love. I fuck with shots and no gun of us. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz and a tongue truck? How you got everybody lit, pipe it up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I don't pipe her up. They my last and my last, I don't whack her up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing something. I'm the type to get active and never run. Hit the rulers, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rest, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. We can hit after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody guns. Guns and covers and
And then it's all done on there. I'm gonna tighten them later. But like, you feel me? You got all that done, and that's what it look like at the end. You know what I'm saying? With the wicker build with the red screws to match. I thought it was a little darker tint on there, but that's how it look on the back. Let me know what y'all think, man. Gonna wrap today's video up. Make sure y'all like the video, comment, hit that subscribe button, turn on them post notifications. Let me know in the comments what y'all think my next mod gonna be. Nobody has guessed it right yet. And for whoever gets it right, bro, I got you with like a little $25 gift card or some shit. I told y'all the little hint. I always do the exterior first, and then I do the interior on the car. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and we on the road to 500 subscribers. And we out.